Hello friends, today I will share with you how to propagate lemon tree by air layering. And the method I will show is very easy. In this video, step by step, we'll guide you through the fascinating process of propagating lemon trees by air layering using an effective material. Through this, you can propagate lemon tree very easily. First, you need to select a healthy, vigorous lemon branch that's about 1–2 inch in diameter. And it should be about 1–2 years old lemon branch. Using a sterilized knife, make a ring-shaped cut around the branch, about 1 to 2 inches long. The best time to propagate lemon tree by air layering is during the spring or summer. This is because the weather is warm and humid, which encourages root growth. If you are propagating lemon tree during the fall or winter months, you may need to wait a long time. Remove the bark completely, exposing the cambium layer below. Gently remove the green layer of tissue beneath the bark with a knife, like I show in the video. Then, wash the branch thoroughly with water. Apply raw turmeric to the exposed cambium layer. Turmeric has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which will protect the branch from fungal attack. Turmeric is a natural rooting hormone that can encourage root growth. If you don't have raw turmeric, you can use turmeric powder. If turmeric powder is not available, you can use aloe vera gel or honey, etc. Take aluminum foil paper. I am using cocoa peat as rooting medium. Cocoa peat has a high water holding capacity, ensuring that the exposed area of the branch remains moist and conducive to root development. Cocoa peat is lightweight and easy to work with, making it convenient for wrapping around the branch. If you don't have cocoa peat, you can use garden soil or compost. It is important to ensure that the cocoa peat gets around the exposed area of the branch. Aluminum foil is a good conductor of heat and can help to retain moisture in the cocoa peat. This is crucial for promoting root development. Protecting the roots from temperature fluctuations. Aluminum foil can block light, which can be beneficial for root development, as roots typically grow in darkness. Then add some water. Then water once a week. If your plant gets 8 to 10 hours of direct sunlight, add water twice a week. Avoid overwatering. After 40 days, I opened. Look, friends, how beautiful roots have grown on it. Once the roots are well developed, carefully sever the branch below the roots and separate from the mother plant. Now I will plant this plant in a container. I have many more videos about lemon trees and other fruit trees that you can watch from the channel playlist. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Prepare a pot filled with well-draining soil mix. If you want, you can plant directly into the ground. Make sure the roots are completely covered with soil when planting in containers. Then, water the new plant thoroughly. Place the potted plant in a location with bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid direct sunlight as it can stress the young plant. It may take several weeks or months for the new plant to establish itself. By following these steps, you can successfully propagate a lemon tree using the air layering method. With proper care, your new lemon tree will grow and eventually produce its own delicious lemons. Thanks for watching the video. See you again in a new video.